Hi, I'm Joy. As you are probably aware, owning an EV, in particular a Tesla, reduces your maintenance costs significantly because there is no engine and there are much less moving parts to worry about compared to an internal combustion engine vehicle. Each year, when I do a yearly Model 3 ownership review video, I would always include the previous year's total maintenance costs to show you just how much I wasn't spending on maintaining my Model 3. However, there is still a big maintenance item that you just can't get away with for owning a car, and that is new tires. I've owned my Model 3 for 3.5 years now. I have faithfully rotated my OEM tires each year to make sure that the tread wear is even on all 4 tires, especially since I have a rear-wheel drive version. In December 2021, I took my car in to get my yearly tire rotation service done, but was rejected by the tire dealership. They told me that my tire tread depths are down to a 4 and they don't rotate tires when they fall below 5. So it was time for me to shop for new tires. Frankly, I was a little shocked that I needed new tires just after 3.5 years of ownership already. I looked up the OEM tires that came with my 2018 Model 3 and learned that I had the Michelin Primacy MXM4 tires. These tires came with a 45,000 miles warranty. In December 2021, my Model 3 was just under 34,000 miles in usage. I was expecting that I wouldn't have to get new tires until I hit 40,000 miles, so I was disappointed that the tires needed to be replaced already. Well, thanks to Tom, whom I met at a recent Tesla meetup event, he told me that he had his OEM tires replaced at a discount because of the warranty. So I did some research and learned that Michelin provides Prorata Warranty discount on their tires. This means if your tires need to be replaced before the manufacturer warranty mileage, you can apply for a prorated discount on new comparable Michelin tires. I contacted Michelin's customer service. They told me they typically don't offer Prorata discount on OEM tires, but they did a goodwill adjustment for me. They assigned me a case number and asked me to take my car to a Michelin tire dealer and get my tires inspected. After the inspection, the dealer would call Michelin to report on the results for a discount approval. FYI, before I took my car to the tire shop, I also registered my OEM tires on Michelin's website, so they have a record of it. I highly recommend everyone doing this, and I will show you how this is done toward the end of the video. Back to the story. I took my car in to America's Tire here in the Los Angeles area and set up an inspection. They confirmed that my tire tread depths are down to 4, 3, and a 2, which is pretty much bald. The person helping me called Michelin immediately after the inspection and got approval for a discount of about $68 for each new tire, or a total discount of about $270 for the whole set. Not bad. Now, I am not a car specialist, nor do I care about which tire to use for my car. As long as it works, it is inexpensive, and has good warranty. I don't need super high performance tires since I don't have a performance Tesla and I don't go on tracks to race. I am just a normal, boring driver. The OEM Michelin Primacy tires are actually quite pricey. On America Tire's website, they are selling it at $278 each, or $1,112 for the whole set, before taxes, and fees. Ouch. I asked if there are other Michelin tires that would be less expensive that I can install for my car, and we found the Michelin Cross Climate 2 at $209 each, or a total of $836 for all 4 tires before the discount. And the Cross Climate 2 comes with a 60,000 miles warranty, so why not, right? America's Tire didn't have these tires in stock, so they had to order them. A week later, I took my car in to get the tires replaced. I asked them if they had pucks to lift my car up a little bit to protect the battery at the bottom of the car during the tire change service. They said they had the pucks, but then found out that one of their pucks was missing, so they ended up using the pucks that I have. If you don't have a set of these pucks, make sure you get them and keep them in your car. They are handy when it comes to getting your tires serviced. I am linking this product information in the description box so you can check it out. In the end, I replaced my tires at 34,772 miles on my Model 3 after 3.5 years of ownership. And I paid a total of $715 for the tires, including taxes and fees. Also, I got free lifetime tire rotation at America's Tire. That's a really good deal. After I got my new tires installed, I came home and registered my new tires on Michelin's website. The most important information you would need to register your tires with the manufacturer is the Department of Transportation, or DOT codes. You can find the DOT codes on the tire themselves. I went around my car and took photos of all 4 DOT codes printed on my tires. Sometimes the DOT codes are the same, which is the case for my new set of tires. However, for my OEM Michelin Primacy tires that I had previously, I had 2 that had the same code and the other 2 were different codes. After you capture the DOT codes, just enter them into the tire registration website along with your personal info, purchase date, and where you purchased the tires from. And that's it. Additionally, America's Tire also asked me to register my new tires from the QR code link on the receipt. Lastly, I recommend that you invest in a tread depth gauge like this one. This is the one I use to check my tire tread wear yearly, and I got this from Amazon for less than $10. I'm leaving a product link in description as well, so you can get one too. So this is the most expensive maintenance I've done on my Model 3 so far. And I will be back for my 4-year ownership review in July 2022. So stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I will see you next time, and God bless you.